In this video, I'm going to show you where to get coupons for Hobby Lobby. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up any web browser, go to Google, and then type in the Google search box, Hobby Lobby coupon codes, and then hit search. And then you'll be brought to the Google search results. So we got all these third-party sites offering coupon codes. So we got Coupon Follow, great spot to get coupons, Real Tell Me Not, 40% off Groupon, etc. So you can check out all three of those sites for coupon codes, but one I like to use is Coupon Follow. So I'm going to jump over to Coupon Follow, and if I scroll down their website here, so I've got take 40% off at Spring Shop, 40% off your order at Hobby Lobby. You scroll down and have a look at all their different offerings. These change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out at future dates. So to activate any one of these codes, simply click into it, click on copy code, and now paste that code at the checkout section of Hobby Lobby to enjoy your 40% off your order.